Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, ignore my little ponytails. I like them. So, my hair's like also Sailor Moon long in these bitches, so. Alright, well today, I'm gonna be doing a like gothic kind of burnt orange. I love like the old school like 90s one shade of eyeshadow, like a dark like red blood lip. I want to look like a witch. Probably gonna add some face tats. Like if I didn't have grandparents who would die if they saw me with a face tat, like this is what I would look like. Alright, so my skin's been pretty fucked up. So I'm gonna use my Deciem. You can't see shit. Vitamin C drops. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my Shape Tape, my light sand. Now my face isn't too red today, so I feel like I'm gonna be okay. Okay, so now I take powder, my Maybelline, my fitme. We're gonna brush out our eyebrows because I feel like I want to make them pretty feathery today. Unfortunately, my eyebrows grew in very patchy. You can't see this bald spot right here. And take my Morphe Chocolate Mousse Micro Brow Pencil. For a girl who never does fluffy brows, I am pretty fucking proud of myself. Alright, now I'm gonna put some powder down. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I'm gonna contour. So first, I'm gonna use the last of my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and this is the Morphe MB35. Now I'm going to take this little flat brush. Now I'm going to take my NYX No Filter and a dry beauty blender. Now that I've got my powder down, I'm going to take my fluffy brush. I'm going to start with the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to go in with this kind of neutral brown to blend. Alright, so now that we've got the transition color in there, I'm going to go in with this orange shade. I love this orange shade. This is one of my favorite matte oranges. Okay, so I think that's it for the Colourpop palette. Now the color that I really am looking forward to is Sandals in my Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I think that color is gorgeous. And I'm going to go in with a little tiny round brush because I really want to pack this color on. I'm going to go in with the same fluffy brush and Sandals and blend it into the lighter orange. I'm just going to take my Morphe M330, edges. Now I'm going to go in with Sunny's in the Violet Voss palette, which is the black. And I'm just going to deepen the corners. I'm going to go in with my M431, which is a little tiny pointed brush. And I'm going to take Sandals. I'm just putting a little bit of Popsicle, which is the little middle orange, on my inner corner, because again, I'm going for dark and gothic. Okay, now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and brush away the excess. Okay, so that's it for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with my black pencil eyeliner and do my waterline. Now I'm just taking my Sephora liner and adding a wing. Alright, now that we've got a nice big liner on, I'm going to start going in with my face tats. Actually, I definitely am going to put my Milk Makeup stamp on because I love this bitch. It's actually my old roommate's, but she can have it back whenever she wants, I swear. Maddie, if you're watching this, hey, love you. Okay. So I've got my first stamp slash tat. Do I want to do a neck tat? I think I'm going to do a 9-4 on my temple because I'm a 94. And I'm just like playing this out in my head. How do mirrors work? Oh my god, don't do drugs, kids. I'm like, if a 9 goes this way. I don't know if that actually says 94, but I don't know. Well, I tried. I'm like, I don't know where to put face tats. Now I'm going to take a page from Emma Chamberlain and write Espresso Gang on my neck. Or just latte gang, but I don't drink lattes because I have a dairy intolerance, so I put water in mine. So it's an iced Americano. I should just do Americano. Okay, so now I'm just going to use a pencil eyeliner. I'm just looking at tattoo script over on the side. Emma Chamberlain, hit me up, join your rap crew. Americano gang, your little latte hoe. It almost looks like I said American because it's a long word. I do what I can. I feel like I'm gonna add some more stars on this side. I think I want to do like a spider web on my chin. I decided I want my spider web to be bigger. So I think I'm done with face tats. Now I'm just going to put some primer down on my lips. And that's just the Colourpop Lippy Stick primer. And now I'm going to use this lip pencil in Currant from Estee Lauder. Okay, so now that I've used Currant, I'm going to take Colourpop Prim, which is like a dark red matte. Alright, now I'm just going to put mascara, lashes, and highlight. So I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And now for my lashes. I'm going to use my Morphe lashes in Hot Stuff. I love these lashes, they're so long and so pretty. Alright, a little Urban Decay setting spray. And my Morphe M524. M524. And I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to go in with the color Sunray. Alright, and this is the final. So hopefully you enjoyed my making myself a SoundCloud rapper tutorial. Like, honestly, I think it's super fun. I really like it. I thought it was really cool. I've always wanted face tattoos and just a body full of tattoos, and now I kind of want to get a neck tattoo. Oh my god, all my friends are gonna hate me for saying this, but I want a neck tattoo. This is what I want to look like every day. I wish. Like, this is just internet doll vibes. Like, I love that bitch. Alright, but thanks for watching my channel. I hope you guys really like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and we'll see what I can come up with then. Alright, thanks guys. Bye. Oh, now I want to get face tats. Guys, okay. This is why I can't do this.